Hello everyone, in this tutorial I discuss about stateless widget. Okay, for that here I next in previous tutorial I just developed this application and now I use stateless widget for this application. So for that here take a class. So firstly I discuss about stateless widget. So it has no state or there is no change in future. For that this called stateless widget. Okay, so class Flutter application extends stateless widgets. Okay, here is stateless widget. Okay, next the bracket, and then here you notice that the red color. Okay, for that here just press alter and enter. Okay, and then create one missing overrides. Okay, after that here you get this build up function. Okay, and next here is return. Okay, so you cut the null and here just cut this function and copy here to here and cut. After that paste it in here, and here just the Flutter application, and firstly this is the super class and this is the subclass. The subclass of Flutter application must write here. So for that Flutter application, here the Flutter application. Okay, and next I just change this color. You should firstly then just change this color, add that color. Okay, mind it, and it takes like that. Okay, just enter and then run this app. For that run, and it processing to install in device. The application is like that, and you notice the sense of this application. And here is the application is installed like that, the sense. And here I use the stateless widget for this application. Okay, so here is code. This subclass is must be written in here. Okay, and the main function or void main function is under all the application on this stateless widget. Okay, and then the style of text is also written, and if you want to change your font size etc and that from here for your text view. Okay, and then there is the build up method, widget build up method. This is very important for the application, and here is the return, and it should return this application. For that return this application. For that the after return the new material app is written here. Okay, this class. So thank you everyone, see you in next tutorial.